Gaseous exchange in the alveolus. The respiratory system deals with breathing. When we breathe, the body takes in oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. The various parts of the respiratory system are trachea, rib, lung, bronchi, and diaphragm. Mouse over each label to know its function. The trachea is the passage leading from the larynx towards the lungs and is supported by bands of cartilaginous tissues. Curved bones form a cage to enclose, support, and protect the heart and lungs. Intercostal muscles between the ribs control movements of the rib cage, and these are important for breathing. The lung is the respiratory organ situated in the thorax, which occupies most of the body cavity within the rib cage. The lung is supplied with air through the bronchus. The bronchi are formed by the bifurcation of the trachea into the left bronchus and the right bronchus, leading into the left and right lungs. The bronchi in turn branch into numerous small tubes called bronchioles, which end in small air sacs called as the alveoli. The diaphragm is a muscular membrane that divides the thorax from the abdomen. Let's see how respiration takes place within the respiratory system. The air is taken inside the body through the nose or mouth and down the trachea or windpipe. Where the trachea is a pipe supported by rings of cartilage, it divides into two tubes called bronchi. These carry air into each lung. Inside the lungs, the bronchi divide into smaller and smaller tubes called bronchioles. At the end of each of these tubes are small air sacs called alveoli. Here, we can see the capillaries, which are small blood vessels with thin walls wrapped around the alveoli. The walls are so thin and close to each other that the air easily seeps through in this way. Oxygen enters into the bloodstream from the alveoli, and carbon dioxide enters the alveoli from the bloodstream. The diaphragm is the muscle that controls the breathing process. As the diaphragm flattens, it causes the chest to expand and air is sucked into the lungs. When the diaphragm relaxes, the chest collapses and the air in the lungs is forced out.